Hello everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Pat Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacino, Neo. Really not doing much now in this sort of this horizontal channel within this really big triangle pattern. Lower levels are still the same. What's interesting is this just did eke in the parameters for a double bottom with first target 34.59, which is traditionally moving up your stop, 34.92 next target, and 35.25 next target, which actually forms a GAN cluster up there. It has not triggered yet. It would need a close or an extended move and a pullback above 33.94. But overall, that's just a little, actually a pattern to bring us back to the top of this sloppy horizontal channel. Really, the next major thing to watch for is a breakout of this big, huge triangle. Let me go into the daily so you can see it nicely here. It has expanded a bit, but not really broken. You know, the old point was here. It just dipped below it and made a new, what we'll call a new defining point, and is holding still in. So what we really need is a close, a nice solid close below, you know, this upward sloping line or the downward sloping line to the upside, and then break out, and then a sustained move. What I like to see is a close below it, retest it, come back, and then turn lower, especially with pulling the rotation zone down. I usually wait for that kind of entry if it breaks out of a triangle. But everything else is pretty much the same. If it does break down, next major cluster area is about 29.33 to 29.64, then really retesting the lows, 28.01 to 27.61 to the upside. If we do get above there, also watch for this 50 right now coming in at about the 39 level, and then we just have the same upside targets as before. But it's really got to get out of this congestion, otherwise nothing to do but sit on your hands unless you can find these short-term patterns like this little double. Switching over to NEM, we had this cluster here at 16937, held there multiple times. It's still holding there now. I'm just going to update those levels though. Just wanted to show how those levels can remain intact. Again, slightly upward sloping, but pretty much a horizontal channel. What we'll be watching for is a close or an extended move above 0.185625. That would break out of this horizontal channel, and then the target would actually be up near the 0.1978 level. And if we break down below 0.1693, the full target is actually down, interesting enough, right down around just below our GAN level projection, which comes in about 0.15729. So about 1578 to 15729 is the next major target, depending on which way it breaks out. Again, it's got to get out of this range. So unless you find a pattern within that range, there's nothing really going on. You can almost also, again, look at this as a triangle pattern. It's just a little sloppier, but it is getting narrower and narrower. So start watching for that, especially if we can break above the horizontal channel levels I talked about. Then if the major levels is going to be this 1.1948 right here with the declining 50 to the upside, we really need a close above there to continue the run up to the next higher levels. Or if we do break down below here, it could still hold right there. That would be the targets for, because as I said, the horizontal channel and the GAN levels. And then really, if we got back below this 0.1531 level, then we'd be watching for a retest of the most recent lows and then the next key levels down. But it needs a breakout again. So I'd be very, very patient and have your stop in place in case it does break down, because then you'll want to get out and re-add lower. And if it goes up, you can add at key levels, especially above this 0.1948. So what we have for you on NEO and NEM, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.